Hello everybody, my name is Kala Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to record customer greeter in your HME EOS HD high definition base station. So here's how we proceed. Now why do you need greeters? You need greeters for customers to listen to a special message when they drive into your menu board. For example, welcome to such and such restaurant, we will be right with you, or this is our special. So, okay, here's how we record greetings. In order to record greetings, you must have a fully charged battery in your headset, and the headset must be registered with your base station, because the microphone of the headset is where you will be talking to when you're recording your greeting. So you will be pressing down the B button and talking to this microphone in order to record your greeting here. I have a little microphone attached here so you could see the feedback from the headset, because when the headset is off, when it's, let me show you, for example, when the headset is off, when you turn it back on,
headset 0, battery full, lane 1.
There you go. So that's why I have that little mic there. Okay, let's start recording our greeting. The first thing we need to do is we need to press menu. After pressing menu, we go to Message Center. In Message Center, you go to Customer Greeter. In Customer Greeter, you have 7 greeters. You have more greeters, but on the first page you have 7 greeters. One is all day. One is all day 2. One is breakfast time 2. Lunchtime 2. Snack time 2. And dinner time 2, and store closing. So these are the greeters that you can record. Now let's record the one greeter that is played all day, regardless what time of the day it is. When a vehicle comes, this is the message that's gonna play. All right. What is that message? We're going to click edit. After you click edit, you can rename it from all day to something else. If you don't want it to be all day, you can rename it. If you want to rename it, you click on rename, and this is your alphabet to choose from in order to rename it. We go back because we don't want to rename it. And this is the schedule. Schedule meaning that which days of the week you want it to be. You could record. You could say that this should play only on Sundays, only on Mondays, or all week, and so on. If you say only on Sundays, this is the timing. You want that message to start from this time and stop at this time. So these are the things that you can adjust, but we are not going to get into that right now, that's scheduling and all that. We are going to record our greeting. So to record, we click on review and record. So press review to hear, and press record to record message. So I don't want to review because I don't have anything recorded yet. So I'm going to record. Remember, my headset must be ready for me to record, and I must press the B button to record. Okay? So let's do that. Record. Press and hold B button. Speak to the microphone. Release B button when done. Hello, and thank you for coming to our restaurant. We will be sure to serve you with our excellent appetizers, drinks, and entrees. Please hang in there. Somebody will be with you shortly. Okay, so that's what I held on to this, and I spoke to the microphone. Now I want to review it. So in order to review, I have to press and hold this, and this is where this little mic comes in handy. That's why I had that little mic. Let's see.
Hello, and thank you for coming to our restaurant. We will be sure to serve you with our excellent appetizers, drinks, and entrees. Please hang in there. Somebody will be with you shortly.
Okay, now notice my recording volume level was very low. That's because I didn't have the mic very close to my mouth, and the mic was like far away, and I was pressing this in order to stay within the camera frame. But when you're recording, you basically have to record it in such fashion that the headset will be in your hand and the mic will be here when you're talking, and then your recording quality will be very good. And once you're done with that recording, you go back, and then you could record other messages, like let's go back and back. Let's record a day 2 message, and same way you can record breakfast message, lunch message, whatever message you want for whichever day you want, and you can schedule it to show up in whichever day or time you want it to show up. It's very simple, very straightforward, and easy to operate. All right. I hope you learned a thing or two from this. Please make sure to like and subscribe.